If you're involved in housing adaptations, I'm sure you know the feeling. Growing waiting lists, budgets that just keep getting squeezed, and projects that seem to drag on forever. Well, today we're looking at a new partnership that's designed to fundamentally change that process, making it faster, smarter, and just plain better. So let's meet the players. On one side, you've got AKW. They're absolute leaders in designing and manufacturing accessible bathrooms and kitchens. And on the other, we have the Occupational Therapy Service, or TOTS for short, a top provider of independent OT expertise. If you're a commissioner or you're with a housing group, this probably hits close to home, yes? These aren't just abstract concepts, this is your day-to-day reality. It can feel like a constant battle, just trying to meet the growing needs of residents when the whole system is under so much strain. Alright, so let's dig into that reality a little deeper. What exactly makes up this adaptation challenge that so many organisations are up against? It really is a perfect storm. When you think about it, we have an ageing population, and with that comes increasingly complex needs. This puts a huge amount of pressure on statutory OT services, which, let's be honest, are already stretched to the limit. And that, of course, leads to those ever-growing waiting lists. On top of all that, the traditional way of doing things is so fragmented, you've got separate teams for assessment, surveying and supply. And it's just a recipe for communication gaps, which leads to costly rework and frustrating delays. But what if there was a way to break that cycle? Well, this is exactly where the partnership between AKW and the Occupational Therapy Service comes in. It's a purpose-built answer to these systemic problems. And here's the crucial point. It is a single end-to-end solution. This isn't just two companies deciding to work together, it's a seamless fusion. You get the independent clinical expertise from TOTS combined with the market-leading design, surveying and supply capabilities of AKW. It's one coordinated pathway right from the very start to the finish line. This contrast really shows the core innovation. The traditional model, it's often a tangled mess of miscommunication between providers leading to the wrong specifications, which just wastes time and money. But the integrated model, it simplifies everything down to one single point of contact, and because the process is clinically led from day one, the whole solution is designed to be right the first time. So how does this coordinated pathway actually work in practice? Let's break down the step-by-step process. It all starts with what matters most. A person-centered independent assessment by an experienced occupational therapist from TOTS. That clinical insight then directly informs the entire adaptation specification. From there, it's technically validated by AKW surveyors before an accurate quotation and supply plan is created. You see, every step informs the next, which just removes all the guesswork and potential for error. A smoother process is great, but what does it actually deliver? The real power of this model is in the tangible benefits it creates for every single person involved. For local authorities, a key advantage here is that this service operates independently, which preserves your in-house statutory OT resources. It offers a scalable way to finally tackle those waiting lists and clear out backlogs, all while guaranteeing that every adaptation is clinically robust, evidence-based and fully auditable for compliance. And for housing groups, this means a single point of accountability that dramatically speeds up projects. Just take a recent project in London, for example. TOTS provided expert assessments for over 100 properties. This allowed AKW to secure the work with a unique, clinically backed proposal. The approach ensured the housing association received outstanding value for money. Residents got the best possible outcomes, and the risk of costly future readaptations was significantly reduced. Because really, beyond all the budgets and timelines, this is what truly matters. All the process improvements, all the efficiencies, they're all focused on a single goal, creating homes where people can live with greater independence, safety and dignity. That is the ultimate outcome of a smarter approach. This quote just captures the essence of the whole partnership. It's not just about streamlining a process, it's about setting a brand new standard, one pathway and one high standard, leading to the one outcome that matters most, better homes that truly work for the residents.